Hello, I would like today to share with you about one of the greatest secrets I have seen of being a leader. And as we know, leadership is a privilege to lead other people and to have influence over their lives. So to me, I think one of the greatest strengths that we have as leaders is this inner ability of being able to project the future. It is this tendency of looking and seeing with God's eyes into situations and uh, giving people future, seeing beyond their um, mistakes and failures, and empowering them to become who God has created them to be. So, do you wish to be a leader? Well, leadership is all about empowerment, enabling people to reach their dreams and vision.